my name is Consuelo Villa, and this is my partner.
Lázaro Lavandera.
And we did a roller coaster. Okay, and so now we're just going to talk about the function and how our trial and errors went through. When we did start off with, there's a noodle down here, and we decided to add a little bit more foam. The reason we have a noodle was to make sure we're able to add on layers so the sticks would go through fully. That was our first thing. We started off with that. We did realize that it was going to be a little bit tricky as we did these loops and depending on the height. So what we did start off was, we started off with the loops at first, and everything was done separately. So then after the loops, we decided to do the bend, and then we did the twist. The twist was a little bit more difficult to get through, but we did add thicker foam here. This is like a cardboard, but it's like the bendable kind, or post board. These down here, we did decide to cut copboard, and we cut it at a 45-degree angle in order for it to not cut off completely, and was able to fold it into a square. Some of these are just the base for the cardboard. There was a lot of trial and error with tape as far as the loops go, so there is a lot of taping right here. We decided to add the ramp to give it a bigger drop, and the example.
Better all the way through?
Yeah.
So to calculate the energy at the beginning of the system, we had to find the potential energy, since it's the only energy it has at the beginning, since it's not moving. So the kinetic energy, it's not there. So we use the formula MGH to find the potential energy, which is the total energy at the beginning of the system. So the mass of our marble was 0.005 kilograms. The gravity was 9.8 meters per second square, and then the height was 1.23 meters. So when you multiply all that, we get 0.06027 joules, which is the energy at the beginning of the system. So once it starts moving, if we try to find the energy at this point at the top of the loop, we have also kinetic energy, and some of the potential energy that got lost got converted to that kinetic energy. So to find the energy of the system, because of the preservation of the energy, we have that the energy should be the kinetic energy plus the potential energy.